Hi, Walt McGuire here with another in the 2-minute tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to go over the Rocketgraph Mission Control environment, talk a little bit about some of the goodies and doodads that you've got in here to build graphs, execute analytics, and tweak the configuration of the environment. So what you see here on the screen is our dashboard. You see across here, there's other tabs here. I won't go into too much detail today in the interest of time, but there's two that are of most importance for people today. First is the Data Explorer. This is going to be your gateway to developing and executing analytics on your graphs. Now you notice here there's a couple of things. There's enter your question and there's enter your query. Now you can do this two ways. One is if you're a Cipher person, you want to write your SQL, you know your schema, have at it, write your query. But if you're not, if you want to ask a large language model and have the model recommend a query for you based on your description of what you want to find, you can do that too by entering a question. So up in the top here, we have an LLM specifier. So this allows you to pick whatever model you prefer. This is configured with an OpenAI model. We also support all the other big stuff, as well as we have some enterprises that use custom models here and there. The other thing you're going to do to build a graph is you're going to use the schemas tab. This is for when you want to schematize your data. Now, the beauty of this is you don't have to necessarily give it a schema. You can, but what you can do is you can let a language model look at the data or take a prompt from you and recommend a schema for your graph. Dataset shows you what you have. I don't have anything loaded, so it's just going to be empty. Upload is for adding more data to your graph once you specified schemas, and jobs is just utilities for seeing what's going on. Dataset. So when you want to work with data in the Data Explorer, you're going to specify a dataset. I don't have any datasets loaded. I'm going to do that in one of the next videos. So there's nothing here to pick. There's a couple other doodads here that are relevant. There's a help icon here that gets you documentation, that gets you a couple of walkthroughs of some different functionality in the product. This is loading demo data, and I'm going to have a couple more vignettes about how to get this data in and what to do with it, and we're going to do some interesting things looking for money laundering and cyber attacks. This is a fun one here. This is called Rocket Chat. This opens up a window that lets you ask questions of your large language model. And then this is just an admin bit here that shows you settings, how to set up database connectivity, how to specify a key for your large language models, and so forth. That's a quick flyover of the Mission Control console, and stay tuned for more videos.